They can't even change the weather on a rainy day. I got the heat that make the sun come out and shine bright. I let them haters say whatever they like. They can't faze me, I'm a real nigga blowing switches. They can diss a nigga but won't even shoot at me. I go ahead and kill them like 1, 2, 3. I'm not a main hobby, these niggas can't compete. So I let them hate. I'm finna go ahead and leave them at the bottom motherfucking race. Finna do my thing while they hate on me. I'm finna switch lanes, throw the paint on me. Let them talk, let them talk. I go ahead and let them talk and run from the mouth. Then I shut that shit down, because I tell the truth, keep it real. You know how it is, throw me another pill. Running from the mouth, that's bitch talk. I let the nigga talk and then I go and do my walk. I don't give a fuck, I stay burning switches, gripping grain, letting niggas know I am the winner. They cannot compete because I'm made and on my feet. These niggas mad because I'm gunning for the wealthy. I came from the bottom but I'm in the top. I'm about to go ahead and get these niggas something to talk about. Let them talk, I go ahead and let them talk. They spread the fame for me, I ain't gotta do shit. All I do is drop tracks and do what I do. And the nigga know what it is on the diss track. Let them talk, yeah, let these haters talk. I can't hear what they say, I'ma just keep walking. I walk with my head high, never looking down. It's Lil Trell the truth, reppin' for that Rosewood.